From the KBIA newsroom in Columbia, I'm Stan Jastrzebski. Addiction and mental health workers say they experienced a roller coaster of emotions recently as a federal agency slashed millions in funding and then quickly reinstated that money. As Sarah Fenton reports from St. Louis, an official from the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration has confirmed the cuts have been canceled.
Health departments, nonprofits, and clinics receive grant funding from the federal agency to fund programs such as those that support trauma care and naloxone distribution. The organizations received emails saying their funding had been rescinded because the work did not align with the agency's priorities. On Wednesday evening, news broke that the decision had been reversed. Rachel Winograd is a professor at the University of Missouri-St. Louis who helps secure and oversee Missouri grants related to the overdose crisis and addiction.
It almost feels like, look how easily we can take it away. We can give it back, but we can take it away again. There's an uncertainty, a fragility that just is incredibly destabilizing.
She adds federal grant-supported programs have contributed to the state's decreasing numbers of overdose deaths in recent years. I'm Sarah Fenton.
Kansas City Mayor Quinton Lucas says officials have picked a company to operate a grocery store that the city itself will own. City representatives and neighborhood stakeholders interviewed 3 companies and have settled on United Market KC as the strongest fit. That store space has been vacant since August, when the previous operator left after years of safety concerns. Leaders of the nonprofit said security became too costly and customers had stopped showing up. Federal agriculture officials are proposing spending $700 million nationwide to boost regenerative agriculture practices. Kansas State University soil microbiologist Chuck Rice says regenerative agriculture is getting a lot of attention in both the public and private sectors, but he says farmers transitioning from conventional farming methods to regenerative ones often need guidance.
The thing that was missing, or an opportunity, was the technical assistance or educational assistance needed to adopt some of those practices.
Rice says previous government programs dedicated billions of dollars to farm conservation. The Trump administration canceled or paused projects that were part of the $3 billion Biden-era Climate Smart Commodities program that had similar goals. And state attorneys have begun presenting their case in a lawsuit that could overturn several Missouri regulations targeting abortion providers. Over the next week, state witnesses are expected to suggest the rules do not prevent abortions, but that they provide women an opportunity for more information and reassurance. Women who have received and regret the procedure are also expected to testify. Attorneys representing Planned Parenthood wrapped up the meat of their case Friday. Witnesses for Planned Parenthood included CEOs, medical directors, nurses, and subject experts who testified to the consequences of the state's rules. I'm Stan Jastrzebski, KBIA News, Columbia.